In this opportunity, you will see a network installation. Actually, it's a Wi-Fi firewall installation, improving an existing network. Here, we are removing the old technology, now using a new base for the access point. It's almost done. Now this is the first access point installed. This is a quick look from the rack and the IT room. It's the switch with patch panel, the rack, automation rack, and look that we have here. All Sony Wolf, no licensing at all. The cabling is pretty mess, but we are improving the network little by little at this moment. This is the second access point. The cable is done, the tip, and the second access point is there. This is our firewall. This is a T80, a WatchGuard one, which is our preferred security device. In this opportunity, we are using a mixed technology between Ubiquiti and WatchGuard. Ubiquiti for the access point and the WatchGuard for the firewall. This firewall is replacing the old Sony Wall. You will see the traffic monitor. The firewall is already active and enabled. We have traffic already here. We are waiting for some response here. Yeah, there you go. The firewall is online. We have a couple stats. You see the quick look from the firewall. Okay, everything looks fine. This is the traffic monitor. You will see the top client, the top traffic here. This is the live logs from the firewall. Yeah, everything is running perfectly. Now this is the Cloud Key Gen 2 Generation 2. This is for for cloud management for Ubiquiti and unified technology. Here we are using the PoE from the switch, so we don't need any power cable for the Cloud Key. There you go. Here is our Cloud Key enabled and adopted from our account. Both access points are already adopted. Now we see some traffic, some clients connected already. There you go. With this step, we are completing our job, and now the network is up and running perfectly. Thank you so much, folks, and see you on the next video. Bye.